guys, Real Tease Fishing. We're out here on the first day of mini season. I'm here with Raul and OJ. It's OJ's first time out here, so let's do it. Get him. Get him. Let's do it. Yep. Oh, no. See him moving? You got him. Yeah! Woo!
Yeah, dude. Catch with the fucking tag team, mother.
Taking a little break to measure.
Take the lobster slapper off your hand. Trademark. Trust it. Hold it. Measure. Right at the horns. At the horn. Yep. That's a keeper, baby. Got it here. Just take a look. Right here. At the horns. Doesn't go behind the carcass. We're good. Keep it. Ready, bud. Sorry, bud. Good.
All right, let's keep fishing.
High five. It's very nice. I like you. Tonight will be the night that I will fall for you over again. Don't make me change my mind. Get him. If you try to catch him, that's rich, bro. Oh, wait, what? Oh, yeah, I was gonna say, they swim right through the net. Skinny, dude. Yeah, the first time I tried to catch one, I got him in there, and he's like, right on. You're good at it.
Gotta do the lobster call. That's it. Come on, OJ, get in on this. The lobster call. I'll get you there. Hold on, it's a little rough. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy.
That's some potatoes. That's a nice one, bro.
Go. Let me see him. Throw it to the can. Oh, baby. Got him.
Bag him and teabag him, Bubba.
Alright guys, so that wraps up the trip for tonight. It is
12:45. So we worked quite a bit today. We ended up with 15 lobster in total. We threw back a few, but not a bad night for the second night of lobstering. So not bad. How was your first day out doing this?
Thank you.
It's fun.
Pretty awesome. It was good times. Thank you, homie.
A lot of things that couldn't be on the video just had us cracking up. So we had a fun time, and that's the whole point of this. So hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe, check us out in the future.
Sorry guys.
Behave.
All right.
Alright, give us a little rundown.
Especially when you got your little handy dandy lobster slapper. Oh hell yeah, brother! Here it is. Boom. Yo, you slap it, you wrap it, you measure it, and you fap it. Hell yeah. The fapper slapper. Keeper. Easy. Yo.
Okay, lucky we didn't throw them back.
Me batieron el cuadro baba. Serio, brother. Oye, pero. Tiene unas pinzas. Son las pinzas. Son las pinzas.